Something else that can go wrong with the toilet is the flush handle. Either the plastic arm can break or the metal arm can break, the handle can fall off, it can separate where they're pressed together. The most important thing you have to know about changing a flush handle is that some toilets, this particular American Standard toilet, has a flush handle with a 28-degree arm. Most toilets, or a lot of toilets, have a square tank so that the handle would be straight, not going in at an angle, and that would be this kind of a flush handle. Now here's the thing you need to know. This is the only left-handed nut in your house. Normally, when I turn something counterclockwise, I unscrew it. But as you can see, this nut is tightening. Well, if I was trying to undo it with these pair of channel locks and I was reefing on it, I'd be pinching on the tank and a chance of me breaking the china. So it's often a good idea to have the new flush handle with you so you can see which way you're going to turn the nut, so that when you go to take the flush handle off, you don't go the wrong way the first time. You can see which way you're going to go, and you can take it off without hurting it.